Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut to universal switch using our volume up button and side button or power button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut we have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and here we have advanced settings menu. And as you can see at the top, we have a few buttons combinations. We are interested in side and volume up buttons. So we're looking for our universal switch. Here it is. We have to allow this pop-up, this action. And now our universal switch is set up under this key combination. So side button and volume up button. Let's see. Yes, of course, this is not connected, but our shortcut is working, as you can see. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.